Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, MathSImplified, and today we will be talking about polynomials, and this is like an intro to polynomials, so let's get started. So first, let's talk about what's polynomials. A polynomial is like a fancy way of saying like an expression that's made up with variables, coefficients, and exponents, and the coefficients cannot be fractions, they have to be whole numbers. So for example, let's see this. 3x squared plus 5x subtract 7. So this expression is a polynomial since it doesn't have a negative exponent or like a fraction. It's all whole numbers. But for this one, if it's x to the power of negative 2 plus 4x, this is not a polynomial because of a negative exponent. So now let's take a look at like different types of polynomials. One term polynomials are called monomials, like 4x or 4x to the power of 3 or 4x to the power of 2. These are called monomials. And when an expression has two terms, it's called binomial. So x squared plus 5 or x squared plus 3 or 3x plus 4, these are binomials. When an expression has three terms, it's called trinomial. And this is when like an expression has three terms. For example, if it's 2x squared plus x subtract 4, that's a trinomial. At any polynomial that's like more than 3 is called a polynomial. Like it doesn't matter if it's 4 or 5, that's called a polynomial. So here I'm gonna give you some examples of polynomials, and you have to identify what type of polynomial is it. Is it binomial, monomial, or trinomial, or polynomial? And here are the questions. And here are the answers, and thank you for watching. This was a short video. This is only an intro of polynomials, and in the next video we'll go deeper into adding and subtracting polynomials. So thank you for watching. Bye.